don't think this vehicle needs much of an introduction. We're just gonna have a lot of fun in the snow today with the Kraton 8S. Now we drive this occasionally off camera, but it has been a long time since it's been on the channel. So I'm excited. I know Abby's excited. We've got 2 fresh smart batteries in here, 8 cells of power, and we've never put this in the snow. I've never watched a YouTube video of it in the snow or anything. So it's either gonna get bogged down because this is some pretty thick fluffy snow, or it's gonna tear it up and we're gonna have a good time. Either way, I think it's gonna be fun. So let's go. That's amazing, every time. There we go, Kraton 8S in the snow. You guys, Abby and I have been having just a little bit of a rough day, a little bit of a stressful day. I think we are both excited to take the day out on this RC, because as soon as I turned the camera off there, Abby said, who's driving first? So, Abby, go ahead. That's doing better than I thought.
Where'd it go?
That is doing
it's tearing the ground up.
So much better than I thought though. Wow, can it make it up the hill? See if you can blast it up the hill. Yes, it can. Why did I have any question? Why was there any doubt? So you guys, we've flown a few drones here. We've never done any ground vehicles here yet at this location, but a lot of you have said, why don't you take the Kraton and take it down there and ramp it? So I think we're going to. I think we're going to plow it down the hill and hit the ramp.
Probably.
This will be amazing. We brought the granite today too, but I don't know if it can do what this is doing. Man, oh man. Okay, I just got to be careful not to fall. Wow, it disappears in the cloud of snow. Yeah, look at that, happy wife. And all the stress of the day is gone. Go, go, go. Oh, yeah, that was so much better than I thought it would be. Wow! Go, 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 go! Nice! Wow! All right, Abby. Let's go, let's go! Oh my gosh! Okay, you held off on the throttle because you were coming toward me, didn't you? So we got one GoPro shot before we did this. Oh man! I will, after... Well, yes. We cheated a little. We got a GoPro shot first and it was epic. Go, 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 go! Wow! Yeah! We have the perfect Kraton 8S bashing spot now. Wow! Here we go. Go, baby, go! Nice. Woo! Okay, let me go. Let me go. Come on now. Remember, this is mine. The X-Max is yours.
The X-Max is always broken.
Your fault, not mine. Okay.
This is never broken.
I haven't even touched this in the snow yet. First time. Here we go. It is just, I think the cold is getting to the batteries. Oh,
okay, see, that's why you don't get to drive.
Okay, here we go.
You get to push.
Yeah! Whoa! That battery's not dead. You just hit a thick patch of snow down there. That's all that happened. Yeah! Here we go. Yeah! Nice! Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh, it's so muddy down here now.
Woo! That was amazing, but it was too far away. Here we go. Oh, that was good. every time. You know that was the best ramp of them all.
That'll be the best shot of the video.
That
just
was
so you
amazing.
know. That's so funny.
That's full throttle. That's full throttle. The battery is pretty much dead. Yeah, it's dead. That's actually full throttle right there. Yeah. Every time we run this, we always wish we had even more batteries.
And we never break anything. Knock on wood.
Knock on wood.
Never
this
broken
is not
anything.
broken since we've owned it. Now the X-Max, every time we drive it. Now, people are going to say, well, you guys are biased toward Traxxas. It just breaks every time we drive it.
Fact is fact.
Fact is fact.
It breaks
Yeah.
every time I drive it.
That's right.
It's crazy.
This thing is a beast.
That was so much
And
fun.
That was fun. And you know what? We did get some, one reason it seemed so short is because we used that battery, those batteries, there's two 4S batteries, to get some shorts shots. The TheRcSaylors shorts, which is probably one of mine and Abby's proudest creations. That channel has about 4,000 subscribers and it's not even 2 months old yet. So if you guys want to see some bonus content, which actually I think we hit a ramp recorded with our GoPro, and I think it was the highest ramp we did with this. That will be on our shorts channel because it was recorded in a different format, so it doesn't even work here. So you gotta go over to the TheRcSaylors shorts. So if you wanna see the highest ramp that we did, I'm pretty sure, you let us know if we hit one higher on this channel or the shorts channel. And while you're there, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, because everything that we post over there, moving forward, everything will be extremely unique content. It might be the same vehicle, it might be the same location, but the actual content is unique. So we would love it if you guys would help us hit 5,000 subscribers to see more stuff like this bonus content over there. If you love this RC, and you should, it's linked in the description box below. And just know that if you buy it with our link, you're basically supporting us like you support a hobby shop. So using those links doesn't cost you a single extra penny, but it does support a good old American family that makes YouTube videos for entertainment. So use those links. All the batteries that we used, they're linked down there. The radio, Abby and I are going to upgrade our radio, by the way. So we're gonna have our upgraded ground vehicle radio linked down there, something we've never done before. All that good stuff's linked down there, and this was just amazingly fun. We totally tore up the snow. Look at that.
Oops.
Sorry, the pristine is not pristine anymore. There were deer tracks everywhere anyway, so they did it first. And I thank the big guy upstairs for that. Thank God for this beautiful snowy day, this opportunity to tear up that beautiful snow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we thank all of our Patreon supporters too, with just everything that we have. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. We couldn't do our channel without you guys. It's super cold. We got to get some snow melting off of this thing, get those electronics dried out, so we got to go. Guys, we're gonna have another video of the Kraton 8S popping up right about now when there was no snow on the ground. That thing was so much fun. I think I like it in snow a little bit more though. That's my favorite.
Fun.
This is like, we'll have to come back here. We gotta come back here. That was so much fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you over in the other video.
Bye.